Stop wasting your money on weak, flimsy cables. Introducing the ZUS charging cable, the world's first Kevlar cable with a lifetime guarantee. When assessed for durability, the premium charging brand Belkin bent upwards of 10,000 times, while the ZUS cable bent over 15,000 times without a problem as tested by renowned German test lab TÜV. What makes ZUS so strong? It's Kevlar, the stuff that NASA used to assist Curiosity's descent on Mars while fighting against the onslaught of 65,000 pounds of force. So the ZUS cable won't break from being crushed or tossed around. We've also designed the ZUS cables to have a unique 90-degree plug, so they're adept at fitting in tight spaces. We're so confident in the strength of our ZUS cable that we guarantee it for life. Get the last cable you'll ever need. The ZUS Kevlar cable by Nanda. Get a special deal when you back us now on Indiegogo.
Constantly checking your phone because you're worried about missing a call, text, or email? Missed calls because your phone was in your purse and you didn't hear it ring? Or worried about leaving your phone behind? That's why we created Ditto. Ditto helps people to stay connected without always having to check their phone. Ditto vibrates when someone important to you is trying to get in touch. Ditto is really tiny and super lightweight, so it fits easily, even in the smallest pocket. It also has a built-in clip, so you can attach it anywhere. For example, to your shirt collar, waistband, or bra strap. And Ditto is discreet. You can wear it under your clothes, so you're still free to wear your favorite watch or jewelry. Or wear it on its wristband. Just clip Ditto on in the morning and go live your life. Ditto will vibrate when you get calls, texts, emails, and other notifications that you've set as your favorites in the Ditto app. And you can customize the vibrations so you'll know exactly when to check your phone. Ditto has a digital tether, so you'll know if you've left your phone behind. And it has a silent wake-up alarm, so you wake up, not your partner. Ditto is also waterproof, so you can wear it at the gym or even while swimming. We made Ditto as simple as possible. There are no buttons, switches, displays, lights, connectors, or even charging cables. In fact, you never need to charge Ditto. After many months, when its power is low, you'll get a message notifying you when to replace its low-cost battery. So put Ditto on, wear it anywhere, and be more connected to what matters most.
Introducing BlueSmart, the first carry-on that connects to your smartphone with revolutionary features, including a digital lock, proximity sensors, location tracking, trip tracking information, a built-in digital scale, and if that wasn't enough, a built-in battery that can charge your phone 6 times over. Designed for today's sophisticated traveler. And even guys like this. Pull the handle, and the app will tell you the exact weight of your carry-on so that you never have to check it because you pack too much. God knows what a suitcase has to go through. Forget about keys or combinations. Control the lock from the app. And if for any reason you need to part ways with your BlueSmart, worry not, it will automatically lock itself. Life's too short to fight for an outlet. BlueSmart will recharge your electronic devices with our super powerful built-in battery. So relax. BlueSmart will alert you if you ever leave it behind, or if it finds a new friend. And if it's ever lost, you'll be able to track its location. You will breeze through airport security thanks to easy access to your electronic devices. With BlueSmart, anyone can travel smart. Even this guy.
Core is at the center of water. Our passion is to create the world's most beautiful and functional hydration products that filter, store, and enhance the water you drink. We're obsessed with great design in both form and function, and we strive to innovate in everything we do while making the world a better place. We call our customers water advocates because together we're celebrating and treasuring water, the one thing that connects us all. Hi, I'm Eric Barnes, co-founder and CEO of Core Water, and we're here in Aliso Viejo at Core's headquarters. The Core is a revolutionary filtering reusable water bottle. It's unlike any filtered bottle on the market. We asked ourselves how we could match the style, convenience, and taste of bottled water, and after 18 months and dozens of prototypes, I think we nailed it. The Core it looks cool, it's easy to drink from, and provides great tasting water right from your tap. We chose to make our filter out of coconut shells, which are converted to activated carbon. Activated carbon has been used for thousands of years to safely purify water. Other filters are often made from coal, which can contain heavy metals. Coconut is not only safer, but it's a renewable resource. Our filter lasts for about 3 months, or approximately 40 gallons of water. That's equal to nearly 300 plastic water bottles that aren't going into a landfill. And it's saving you as much as $400 not spent on bottled water. To make it really easy to break the bottled water habit, Core offers for the Nava filter subscription right on our website. You can also buy replacement filters from a retailer that sells Nava. With most bottles, the mouthpiece and the drinking experience are a complete afterthought. With the Nava, we test it over and over to create an amazing ergonomic spout that feels great on your lips. We also strive to optimize the flow. A lot of filter bottles require you to either squeeze the water out, or you have to suck really hard, like a Hoover vacuum, to pull the water past the filter. So we created a concept called Easy Flow, which optimizes water flow between the coconut filter and the straw to deliver incredible tasting water, but with great flow. The Core Nava also features our No Worry cap. With just a press of the button, the cap opens to allow you to drink. And it stays out of the way until you're ready to close it, which provides a hygienic chamber, which essentially protects the spout when not in use from germs and dirt. So the Core Nava also contains our technology called Easy Clean, Easy Fill. To demonstrate, with just a twist of the wrist, the cap comes off. And I can also show you how to change the filter. And it reveals a wide mouth opening that's easy to get in the dishwasher and clean. To change the filter, simply twist the straw, pull it out,